When the rain starts falling down and the wind picks up tonight, I see you pulling close to me, trying to make everything alright. I wrap my warmth around you now, like a blanket soft and strong. In this moment I can feel where you and I belong. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Just stay here in my arms till morning comes. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Your presence I'll find peace, for nothing in comes. There's a chill out in the air, but your smile brings so much light. Every worry fades away when I hold you here so tight. Simple moments mean the most when the world feels cold outside. In your presence I find peace, and nothing else provides. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Just stay here in my arms till morning comes. I'll be your shelter upon the storm. In your presence I'll find peace till nothing comes. Sometimes life gets heavy and the rain won't seem to end, but I promise you this moment is where healing can begin. Like the quiet after rainfall, when everything feels new, I'll keep giving you this comfort. It's the least that I can do. And no matter what tomorrow brings, through every passing day, I'll be right beside you. We'll find a way. I'll be your shelter from the storm. I'll be your shelter. Just stay here in my arms till morning comes. Till morning comes. Just a little pain, a tiny chime, from you to me, perfect time. Hey, did you get my last reply? Been waiting here all night. Pretty please don't leave me on red. My heart keeps checking ahead. I'll wait. Say what you need to say, just press in my way. Message me again, tell me how you've been. Message me again, make my phone light up fire. Message me again, hard emoji time to send. Message me again, make my wall light up fire. Every notification brings me joy. Simple words you employ. Typing dots appear, making my smile sincere. Dollar typing. Na-na-dee, da-da-da, na-na-dee, na-na-na. Your words from my da-da-dee, ba-ba-boom. Keep them coming. Message me again, tell me how you've been. Message me again, make my phone light up. Message me again, heart emoji times 10. Message me again, make my world light up. Just a little pain. That's all I need. Morning coffee turns cold. Your side of the bed still warm. Pictures on my phone, trying not to scroll too far. Each breath gets easier, for my hands still shake when I see your name appear on messages I can't erase. The way you hold on tight, like anchors in the storm. The ships weren't meant to stay forever at the shore. I love you enough to let you go, even when my heart says no. Breaking what we built so slow, 'cause I love you enough to let you go. Remember last July, dancing through the rain, your jacket on my shoulders, promises we made. Now autumn leaves are falling, time keeps moving on. These walls hold on memories, but they can't keep us strong. The truth hits like waves against my window pane. Some loves are meant to last beyond the seasons share.